Hello my dear friends, my name is Anthony and I'm here to help you create bigger and more profitable business. Today's topic, writing a business plan. Let's start. As you all know, business plan is a crucial part of a startup. Without a business plan, you won't be able to get investors, you won't be able to grow exponentially, and most of the time, you won't know your milestones. In today's video, we'll be talking about 5 tips for creating an awesome business plan. Tip number 5, do your research. As I talked in my previous videos, doing your research of a market, of a competition, of your product is a crucial part of creating a business plan, because only when you have this information, you will be able to create a good business plan that will give insights to you and your investors. Tip number 4, know your strategy. Basically, when you create a business plan, you will have to show to your investors what are you planning to do. So you have to create a good strategy. Business plan is a part of a strategy, but you have to create a specific strategy, let's say for market penetration. Okay, so you take the first part, which is market research, and add it to your strategy. Your strategy should be clear and simple. It should be easy to understand, and the most important part of strategy is to be realistic. You don't want to create a business plan with some unrealistic strategy that will show your company as a major leader in some kind of tech, let's say, that you don't really understand it. You want your strategy to be realistic. Tip number 3, future-proof your concept. So if you've done a research and you know your market and you know your customer, you should future-proof your concept and your product. When you show your concept to investor, you want them to be able to predict what will happen. They want to see an action plan, because your action plan and your future-proofing will show them how good you are at what you do and what is potential benefit from your product in future. Not only now in a year or two, maybe in 10 years you have a pipeline with 10 different products that were based on the first product that you released today. Tip number 2, make your business plan appealing and look good. Make your visuals nice, dress up. When you present your business plan, you should look great, as should your business plan. And lastly, tip number 1. I think that that's the most important part of writing a business plan if you're planning on bringing in some investors. The most important part of your business plan is to show your investors what will they earn, because basically most of those investors are not doing it for some kind of dream or maybe a share or maybe potential income they will get in 50 years. No, most of the investors will put their money into your business if they know how much they can earn from your business. That's why in most of the cases, your investors, they search for 15 and higher % of interest, because less than that is not relevant. Less than that they can get in real estate. Less than that they can even get in a bank. So they're searching for a high income company or for a company that is undervalued and will gain them some money. So when you're creating a business plan, yes, everything is important. Yes, you have to show your strategy, your market, your product, your plan generally. But one of the most important parts is to show to investors what they will gain. The money they will make if they will join you. The money they will be able to make if they give their money to you right now. So basically, it's a business proposition for investors. So a good business plan can gain a lot of attention and bring you a lot of money, or it can show your product in the best possible way, but it won't get you any money because you won't show what your investors can make from your company, from your product, from investing into you. These were my 5 tips for creating a business plan. If you're interested in step-by-step guide for creating one, please comment down below. And if you like this content, Please give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more additional information about business and some insights that will grow your business in a faster and more reliable way. Thank you and see you in the next one.